can a man really date a girl who has a male best friend?
Yeah, it's possible.
No, it's not.
Why? You can date and have the best female friend.
Yeah,
Is it bad?
That's possible.
Yeah,
And why is it that now now you cannot date a lady who has a male best friend? Before you meet her, she had her own life.
But the moment I met her,
You want her to change everything. Why?
Why?
It's because I'm the one who is there.
That is dictatorship.
No, it's not
That
dictatorship.
is dictatorship. Like
Dunia sahi imekuwa programmed the other way.
Aje.
Like dem haizi kuwa na male best friend.
Why?
Na kwa in a relationship.
Yes.
Sidhani.
Na wewe unaweza kuwa in a relationship na ukue na a female best friend.
Yes.
But yeye asikue na a male best friend.
Ebu irudie tena.
Wewe unaweza date. Na unaweza kuona date but you have a female best
Not
friend.
Best friend.
Why?
Friend. And it can also apply the other way around. Like yanaweza kuwa na mabeshte maboys, but when it comes to like a best friend,
but you know, friendship grows.
Yeah.
Yes, it grows.
Yes.
But she needs to know that akona mse.
No problem. You can know that you have a mse, niko na mtu.
Acha nikushow.
But have a best friend.
For a relationship ikue like it's a working relationship.
Yes.
Na feel like the best friend inafaa ikue mtu wako.
But for me, let's say maybe for example, kama mimi, nikuje see we are dating, but I have a best friend, a male best friend. Na kwa hiyo process nikuje nikwambia like babe, me I have a best friend. Sija kuficha, nime open up.
Umeka open.
Na like nimekuambia we are like this and this and this for you not to be insecure.
My problem is in the word best.
What is wrong with the best?
Best entail vitu mob sana.
Like
for you, wewe kama sasa EXO for example. Wewe kama EXO for example.
Kitu nazungumzia hapo, keka best, anafikiria mtu anapigwa mshiki.
Like na feel ukisema mseni best friend yako inamaanisha mna share a lot of things.
It can be ideas, it can be business, it can be work.
You can share ideas with your friend, but there is a privilege in a best friend.
Best friend gets
like
kind
a
of
best
privilege.
Friend and a get privilege za during the low moments. Kuna discussion yenye mnaweza kwa mna have, but a friend haezi pata hiyo privilege. And when it comes to a low moment, ladies tend to be so low that a lot can happen during this particular time. You know, when you boy, acha kujifanya.
Una support yo ku like
okay,
your
so
friend akwenda male best friend.
A lady must should have a boy, she'll have a best friend. What do I mean? A male best friend. What do I mean? You can get in a relationship. Get me? With someone. Is your darling, is your love, is your boyfriend. But maybe you had someone maybe that you knew from maybe primary school that you guys were not even doing, let's say hata kama stories za sex ama nini. This guy has just been a good guy to you. Amujai ongelea stories za sijui kudate nini. He has just been a good friend. And this guy from primary to high school, maybe after high school now, point whereby now maybe at university and you get a boyfriend.
But
he's still your friend. He's still your best friend.
You are friend.
There are some things that maybe your boyfriend doesn't know, but this nigga knows.
But you guys are not dating with your
yes.
boyfriend.
Which marks the question, which extent should a boyfriend go?
A boyfriend should it depends with the agreement. Actually, unajua sahi place tumefika pia. Relationship should also have why are we in this relationship? Even if someone is your boyfriend. Why are we in this what's so called boyfriend, girlfriend? What do you want to achieve with it? It should not be like, you know, in the past, imekuanga iti boyfriend, girlfriend, sex. Most so people who are within 20s.
So how can you achieve this?
people who are in their 20s.
And
Those
swali yangu
relationships
ni-
zinakwanga tu tupatane musheki.
like swali yangu ni
Eh,
unaweza achivaje hiyo
mhm.
bila the two of you being best of friends?
As in a burudia.
Like tuseme uko na another best friend, so how many best friends are you supposed to be having?
What I
Because
mean was this.
when someone is a best friend,
Mhm.
na feel like okay, like kuna some certain things zenye
Mhm.
wewe si ni best yangu.
Yes.
So if I have a best friend, kuna vitu yenye naweza fanya na yeye
Mhm.
yenye siwezi kuinvolve,
Yes.
si ndio?
Yeah.
So what are these things that you can do with your best friend or
Yeah.
a best male friend
Yes.
that you cannot do with your partner?
Let's say as a lady you have a best friend, maybe at workplace. You get me? If I mean best friend is someone, maybe the way I said, you are doing other things except maybe sex. Sindio?
Except
Yes.
sex.
Yes, there are people who are best friend to
Yeah.
some ladies.
But you're not.
Atakwambia, bro, this
No.
guy has been my friend, he has never asked me. Bro, iko tusikatae.
Oh, I mean, yeah.
Kuna
Yes,
jamaa
yeah,
anakuja anaanza
So
kuambia
let's say
dem
for
anaweza-
example,
Mi
Sasa
siwezi
tuseme-
amini.
maybe like vile Exo alikuwa amesema mmeanza your friendship from primary,
high school.
high school,
No,
university.
si nini, sikatai that
Mhm.
tunaweza kuwa na besti.
Mhm.
My point iko hapa kwa best friend.
Mhm.
Best
Best
friend
You
inamaanisha
can
what-
have as many men
Bro,
okay, you see,
opposite
it's
sex,
like-
Bro,
Acha
what does it
nijibu
mean
pia.
by best friend? Best friend is someone that you know very well, that you
Kabisa.
trust.
yes,
True.
you nini.
Sindio?
Ehe.
So if I've known you since primary,
I
you are
know
someone
you.
I know very well. You are
Mhm.
my best friend.
Yes.
Mhm.
So that doesn't mean that maybe we are doing shakara.
Yeah, shakara.
So you can have a best friend as a lady, but it's not necessarily that you guys are doing something.
Yeah.
Kuna unaweza kuwa na best friend yenye mnajuanga huyu mtu tukishikananga tunafanyanga kazi vizuri ama tunafanyanga something ina succeed.
Can that just be a friend? Besti.
But
No, but it's a best friend because there's something constructive you guys
he
are
or
doing.
yeah.
Mhm.
But
I
no,
still
Blair
don't
yuko
agree.
convinced.
I still don't
But
agree.
kitu inasumbua Blair is one thing.
I
You
still
call
don't
it
agree.
insecurity.
I have many
Yeah.
insecurities, especially
You don't
when you're
believe
living
niggas.
with
But
the
sasa
ladies.
your girlfriend amekuja aka open up to you. Like
Akwambia,
this is
babe,
my best
This is my
friend.
best friend.
I'll prefer.
Like the way we are sitting right now, you are dating Asha. Amenileta hapa anakuambia babe, meet Exodus, my best friend.
Mhm.
And niko hapa na uko hapa. So we
Usiniambie.
just have a conversation nakwambia bro,
Usiniambie,
your
usini-
wife is my
like men tunakwanga program ile design ya nisijue nika tu wewe vile wanasemanga like you feel so bad msaki kati ya sister yako.
not that way Blair.
But hiyo ni a
Hiyo ni
different
different.
situation.
It's
It's a
even
different-
worse in
The
this
reason why
one.
itafanya
No,
nikasirike
it's
ni
not
mtu
worse.
kama ni mtu
Because
mgonjwa.
how can my partner
Let's-
tell me that she has a male best friend?
Okay, let's say for example, acha isikue maybe your girlfriend, ikuwe ni wewe, you have una best friend dem,
You don't have a best friend lady.
mtu mwenye mnajuana kabisa, you won't fuck her, like huyo umemweka close, kuna vitu zenye au
Blair angepata ni busheki. Angepata ni busheki. Wewe ukisema huyu ni best friend, lazima ilale ndani.
Okay, I have female friends but then kama inaweza fika to
Point
the
to
level
it a
of
best
that
friend.
sasa she is my best friend at now I need to share certain things na this lady zenye siwezi share na my partner.
no, let's say hata like
Mi na
before.
discourage kukua like kupea your best friend more priority than someone you're dating.
Hautampatia auta like
Okay, so what's the
priority.
meaning of best friend? Like
What I mean is this. Sometimes you can be dating. And it's not that everything you want in this planet will be served with that one person. Though you love him, you want to stay with him, you want to, share love with him. But at some point you need other friends that can, for example, even to get maybe a job. Maybe your man cannot get for you a job, but you have a friend.
Yeah,
Also maybe a best friend.
Sijakata friendship.
But maybe a best friend.
Difference ya best friend.
Best friends nimesema ina privilege. Like, okay, have the best friend that you want, but na discourage like your man knowing, like mimi demewa kama niambie akona a male best friend. I don't know the reaction, but sidhani kama naweza ichukulia like nitakuwa na some other thoughts zenye zitakuwa zinanisumbua. Nitakuwa ka DCI, nitakuwa anytime na unaenda kumite, so niko like what are they doing?
Meaning
like
you don't trust your
I don't trust
you don't trust your girlfriend.
Like kutakuwa tu na hiyo moment like hapana so nitaanza kumwangalia different like boys akona hesabu kugongea ni constant.
No, constant.
It's constant.
Wacha nikwambie one thing. Like let me give you an example with couples who are married, people who I know in the industry. For example, we have someone like Njugush na bibi yake, and they're working with Phil, they're working with Butita. Butita is not married. So it's wrong for the wife of Njugush kusema Butita is my best friend. Is it wrong? Njugush asikie vibaya?
Like
Butita, bibi ya Njugush aseme Butita is my best friend. Njugush asikie akach feelings. It is sasa yo
anaweza but akija mwambie he's my friend. I have
why
no
is it
problem.
best?
I have no problem.
Maybe I have
with that.
feelings. Feelings is different with
Not
being
feelings. Not feelings. Kuna power in words. Juu staki niishi na ile moment ya like I doubt anytime you guys are together.
So if maybe she calls you, uliza babe, kwani mbona hujafika? Tuna chill like so hapa mtaani.
Hata hiyo ifai kukua hivyo surely.
Manze
ile best friend
mbona exo fiti sabe. Unaniambia mkimaliza nikuje nikupika.
Ben nione exam
for you unaweza kubali.
Anambia babe, uko na nani? Mko na Blair? Blair is my is your best friend.
Bro, you are living in a very different world.
Why? Bro, let me put it like this. Let me put it like this.
But for me, Pia,
let me put it like this.
Like a female best
Blair. Let me put it like this. If you give her peace, if you give her space,
it will
be easy for you to live with her.
Matter.
Because sometimes these people, they are also humans and they have their limits. There are people they know that they are best friends, but there are women that can go and stay with a man in the house like this. But if she respects herself, she will not do whatever you think.
I'm not.
So sometimes you might have bad mind with your wife or with your girlfriend. It's sasa anafanya nini na Blair watu wawili kwa nyumba. But imagine hata hiyo point yenyewe unafikiria hivyo wewe. Huo dem yeye pia hizi allow msafike hiyo point.
Like without even thinking about what she's thinking, and by the way, being selfish, but I'm thinking about me. Like hiyo time yenye wako pamoja. What is going on in my mind?
That is your problem.
Exactly. If I cannot account on what she's doing, place yenye yako, like siezi tell anafanya nini, na the only information that I have ni wako na EXO. I'll have 1, 2, 3 questions.
So
that yenye maybe naweza kosa kushare na yeye, but kuna maswali zinaweza nisumbua, especially if I don't know EXO. Amekuja akanintroduce. Unajua kama ingekuwa nakujua fiti, maybe sisi ni mabeshte kitu kama hiyo, na umenipea example na Njugush na Butita, hiyo ni kitu mbili tofauti. Hasa ni mabeshte. But a scenario yenye ujui uboy, unaona, na amekuja akakuintroduce, wewe unaweza react aje?
First of all, kama is someone that I don't know and akaniambia I've known this guy for all this time, sometimes I have to relax because she's a mature person. It's like, for example, saying that you are dating, and one day your girl tells you that, babe, I want to go to club.
Mhm.
And maybe you don't feel going. Is it bad if you tell her, babe, just go enjoy yourself and come back? Will you feel safe? Uta feel safe? Madam ameamuka amekwambia, babe, babe, leo nasikia tu kwenda kujinice. You as a man, can you just even get kwa wallet and babe, all this 10,000? Ndio ujibambe, mimi acha ni dozo. Ukirudi uniambie nikufungulie mlango. As a man. So if you can do that,
if I have the trust,
if you can do that, then it's good. If you akikupigia kona best friend, uta understand.
Not a male,
because it's the same thing.
Lakini sikuwa male best friend. Unasikia hivyo ndo amesema it's not the same thing. A girl,
acha nikwambie,
like her girlfriends.
Mimi nasema we kwa nayo, but don't let me know that you have a male best friend. Unaweza kuwa nayo, but hiyo kunijulisha like you have a male best friend, it raises a lot of question to one individual, which is me.
So I think the best way tunaweza sema hii story ni and this has brought a lot of challenges actually in a relationship, because we tend to put people in a cage.
Not
Blair,
in a cage.
if you're meeting Asha,
that's not putting anyone in a cage.
If you're meeting Asha today, Asha have lived like 24, 25 years of her life without you.
Yeah, true.
There are people he has met before you. So if you meet her today, you don't tell me that you will just have to brush every person in his life.
That's why we have something called courtship. Unaona, kuna hiyo period yenye at least you get to know each other, you get to know their friends, but the moment mmeamua kuingia into a relationship, na after like 2 years akuja kuambie, oh, there is this male best friend,
now that's different.
So like aje,
so after all this time,
yote tukijuana huko niambia unakuwa na best yako, sijamsikia akikupigia, sijaisikia akifanya anything.
Na what if yote mkijuana akwambia have a male best friend, yote mwenye mnajuana ameopen up,
sina maanisha like this best friend is always in her mind.
No,
like I have to overthink as a man, lazima tu ni overthink.
Why are you overthinking?
I have to.
Why?
Because wezi niambia udem male best friend yake ako always kwa mind yake. You introduced her vile umesema maybe during your courtship, mkaanza kudate, bado ako in the picture.
Aita work.
Aji.
So I think it should find.
And then pia kuna hiyo confidence ya kukuambia like this is my best friend. No.
To those who are viewing our show today, guys, we also want you guys to participate in whatever we are discussing. If you're watching this show for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also leave a comment there at the comment section. You pia mtuambie wewe unaonaje, is it good?
It's not.
To date a lady who has a best friend.
Utajipata peke yako wewe nje, utajipata peke yako.
Bidem yangu lazima kuwe na mabeshte.
Mabeshte, this is friends na kuna best friend.
Kuna ule mmoja. Kuna huo mmoja.
Nasema hivi tukimalizia, kila mtu akuwe na plan B, that's all. Sometimes inazararuka. So kuanga tuna yule best friend, but my advice will be don't show it. Keep it secret for yourself.
The moment
because if you want to put it now, if you want to tell it to your boy,
but it's good to open up to your guy.
Yes, it's good to open up, but you can't open up by saying that you have another person of the same sex ati ni best friend.
But hakuna kitu tunafanya.
Mimi sijui ati data hakuna kitu mnafanya.
Nyinyi mnajua. If you trust your guy.
I can't trust you with another man.
Why?
If I'm in a relationship with you, like siwezi kukutrust. I'm a man, I know.
So hapana. Kuna zile kuna time hadi ujaiona like kuna wale couples wenyewe ni couples but unaweza pata maybe they're friends, like best friend. Seme kama wewe
a
uko na
couple is another thing altogether. When it comes, I was talking about maybe girlfriend
girlfriend.
na boyfriend. It's not official that you guys are married. So like ukikam kuniambia that uko na male best friend na we ni dem yangu, it raises a lot of questions between the two of you.
Mimi nimekuamia hapo.
Umesema plan B.
Yo,
yako peke yake.
Man, lazima
as a lady, have someone that when she break your heart or when he breaks your heart, you can call that nigga, tell him, yo, I'm in a very bad situation. Because if you don't have backup plan, yo,
have another person backup inafaa ikuwe.
Nashangaa.
Yo, we are in a show. We are in a show. We are in a show. We are in a show.
Yeah.
In a show. So for me, my stand is I cannot block you for having a best friend, but respect yourself
and respect you.
Yes, that's the most important thing. I cannot deny you from having best friend, male or female, because the world has a lot of people, and you never know anybody. So the only thing that I'm saying that can protect everything is you yourself. You have to respect yourself first. Then you have to respect the relationship that I have with you, so that even if you meet with your best friend, you have boundaries. That you are my best friend to this limit. So we cannot pass here. If we pass here, this place is now belong to that nigga. As we finish you. So that is my take. What is your take?
I support you.
Shake my hand.
I will never.
Lakini for me, mimi naona vile tu Exa amesema, why limit your partner? Like, okay, for example,
no, I don't mean that una limit partner wako by maybe like sana sema like privileges za sex. That
sex.
Sasa hiyo peke yake ndio imeachiwa the partner. There is a lot of things that comes with the package of being a best friend. Like, do you know a best friend anaweza, if it's an opposite sex, a best friend anaweza enjoy hiyo nini, hiyo privilege ukichoma, because kuchoma pia iko.
Ndio maana nimekwambia
because yeye ndo atakuwa the shoulder to lean yenye nini ata offer that shoulder.
But why should I live a worst life because of you?
Which was
so umefura ugei na mimi. So you want me to go through trauma because of you? Yo.
And I have a best
friend.
That's why I can't be comfortable.
Yeah.
Ni girlfriend yangu kuja kuniambia that she has a male best friend. I will never be comfortable with that.
To our viewers viewing this show,
what do you think?
What do you think? At
your
comment section,
the ladies.
Yes.
Acha wakuja tu watupe udaku.
Watupatie udaku zenyu, mnaweza kubali ama mnaweza kataa.
Si udaku.
Acha wakuja watuambie how they think, and I think we also heard from our fans. Pia watuambie wao wanafikiriaje, because mimi na nimeamua hivyo. I don't put someone in a cage.
But pia mimi siwezi taka boyfriend yangu akwe na female best friend. Ina depend though.
But nasema, I reach to a point whereby I'm saying, if you respect yourself first and respect the relationship I have, it means even where you are, I should be safe, knowing that the lady I have cannot.
Of course, I trust her.
But if you reach a point whereby you can also not trust this lady because akona best friend, then kumaanisha kuna venye place wewe pia unamjua huyu anaweza gongewa anytime.
What's the percentage of loyalty that you can give to your partner?
100%. Yes, before you fuck up. So before you fuck up,
so inamaanisha kuna some two tuseme tu more than one opportunity yenye yako nayo.
nasema
pia
unasema kama for example
pia kuna kusema sorry akikuja kwa memanzee hizo
ni kama sasa unasema that I don't trust someone before I fuck up.
No, you can't you can't trust someone 100%.
Bro, I trust. Yes.
Yeah, okay, then I need.
Do you know why I trust? I give you 100 at first. Then it's not upon you now to maintain that 100.
Which raises the question: once you fuck up, you will always fuck up.
But if there's a way of fucking, you say, like, for example, if now you went and do something stupid outside, there are things that you cannot tell me that you didn't know doing. But if something happened accidentally or maybe is a mistake, you can check on that. But if you leave and go and stay someone for 1 week and come back and tell me that let me tell you one thing, you have a best friend as your girlfriend, and your girlfriend leaves and you can't stay with the man for 1 week and comes and tell you, babe, I'm sorry, it was a mistake. You stay on Monday, stay on Tuesday, stay on Wednesday, stay on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then come back on Sunday. Tell me on Tuesday, what were you thinking?
Even the idea is just a mistake, because when you are that it was a mistake with your male best friend, it means that there is something, either one person is not talking about it, either the man amekuwa kikucheki but hataki kuongea juu anajua uko na mtu, and that's why unakuwa dragged into this. So me hapo wezi ni convince. Maybe our viewers have another opinion, but to me,
my people, leave us there at the comment section. See you on our next episode. My name was MC Exodus.
I'm Asha.
Director Blair.